If you're watching this video, chances are you're doing your research on the best digital marketing course to invest in, especially if you don't have any previous skills or no prior experience. You're in the right place because I've personally invested my money into multiple different digital marketing courses over the years, and I'm going to share with you what I believe to be the best course you can invest in. I'm also going to share with you what I look for when I choose a course, so you can actually use this criteria and find a good course. Even if you don't take my recommendation, you'll be able to use that. Now, I want to share with you some results that I'm actually generating with digital marketing, so you can see that I've actually joined these courses and have applied it and actually have made, some pretty consistent income. You can see right here in my Stripe account that I'm making these consistent sales right here. And you can see even in another platform, I'm been able to generate, over $44,000 with just learning from digital marketing courses. So without further ado, I want to dive right in. Now, you can go to sites like udemy.com. They have a lot of different courses and digital marketing training there. You can also go to a site called coursera.org. You can find some courses and things like that, but that's not where I found the best digital marketing course. Before I dive into the best one, I want to share with you things I look for in a good digital marketing course. This is the criteria over years of being online that I always use when I have credit card in hand and I'm deciding on whether or not I want to do that. Now, before I do share these different points and then I get into the best course that I found, there will be a link directly below. So at any point you do see an opportunity with yourself or you want to find out more about this course, you can go down below and do that. So the first one is beginner focus. So a lot of people, and maybe you watching this video, you're a beginner, right? You've maybe not done digital marketing before. The best courses start with foundational skills and offer step-by-step guidance. So a lot of these courses, they leave out missing pieces, right? If you're someone maybe working a 9-to-5 job, maybe you're in an office and you don't have a lot of extra time, you want to find a course that starts with the basics, right? What are the fundamental bare minimum things you need to learn, and then walks you through a very step-by-step process to go from zero to making your first dollar online and then ultimately a lot more. So that's the first thing, beginner focused. And the course I'm going to share in just a minute is beginner focused. Income and automation potential. So courses that cover passive income strategies like funnels and automation are what I typically look for and recommend as well, because you can do digital marketing in a lot of different ways. But if you're someone watching this and you like the idea of passive income, you like the idea of having that free time to be able to maybe travel or spend time with your loved ones while you're still making sales, you want to look for courses that actually cover how to set up something called a sales funnel. This is an automated process that will take a person, that is cold, that doesn't know you, and by the end of that process, they're wanting to buy from you automatically, okay? And again, the course that I'll share in a second does that. Getting student results, okay? This is huge. When you go to look for a digital marketing course, it should be getting a lot of people results and having them make sales and make money online, especially beginners. So I always look at what are the students of that course, what are their results? Because if a lot of people are not making money promoting digital marketing products based on the training inside that course, it's not a good course, right? So what I'll share with you when I share this course in just a second is a shocking, unbelievable amount of beginners making their first dollar, making their first $600, making their first $900 sale online. It's absolutely incredible. Now, I also look for a course that has a community. Okay, so this allows you to be surrounded by other like-minded people on your learning journey. I mean, if you go to like Udemy, the courses may be decent, but they don't really give you that community. I'm going to share with you, again, the course that I found that has over 50,000 members inside of a very positive community and live training calls. Okay, so this is a bonus, right? Not all the courses need to have live training calls, but it's highly recommended as you get your questions answered. So again, maybe you've had that experience, you go through a course, maybe you have one little question that is just not covered, or maybe you just want some feedback from a successful person and you can't do that with a static course. So I'm going to share with you an actual, not just course, but really digital marketing program that even has live training calls from 6 and 7 figure earners that you can attend just by being a member of this course. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this course and this program. And it's called the Legacy Builder Program. So maybe you've been seeing the massive buzz. Basically, like I said, there will be a link directly below. When you go there, you can read over all the amazing benefits and things like that. But in a second, I'm actually going to go into the back office of the training, the community, so you can see this firsthand. There's 4 main levels inside of this program, okay, and inside of this course. There's the $900, the $600, the $300, or the $100. Now, you can read on my website, the different benefits of each of the levels. But the main thing is the highest level is the most advanced training. It's going to start from beginner, 0, but it's going to go all the way up to the most advanced training. And one other benefit of this program is if you start doing digital marketing and you don't have your own product and you don't really want to spend the time and the trial and error to create your own course, you can just actually promote this as your own. So when you purchase into this course and program, you get resell rights to resell this as your own, allowing you to make instant 100% profit when you promote this, okay? So that's an added bonus. Yeah, so if you see an opportunity here and you want to take the next step, be sure to click the first link in the description to dive into the Legacy Builder program. But let's go one by one into the criteria I look for, showing why this program and course is my top recommended. Okay, so like I said, it needs to have beginner training. Well, I'm actually inside of the video training, inside the Legacy Builder, and you can see that when we first start right here, this training starts very, very basic, okay? So it's like, what is passive income? What is resell rights? The 2-hour workday, which touches on how you can work just 2 hours a day. The 7-step framework to success. Again, some more basic stuff, setting up TikTok, but then as you go, it starts to get more and more advanced. So you can see right here, if I go to the second page, now we're getting into building a brand. Now we're getting into how to use TikTok to attract people when promoting and selling a digital product, how to post free ads, YouTube training, Pinterest, Instagram. So it's an all-in-one platform and program that teaches you exactly how to market digital products online. Now, as you remember right here, I said it should cover things like passive income, funnels, and automation if you really want more passive income. So as I go right here, you can see inside of the training, automate your online business. So these training modules teach you step by simple step over the shoulder how to literally create a funnel, okay, how to have a capture page to capture your prospect's email address, and then how to even connect payment gateways, how to automate emails so you start following up with your leads, people that put their email into your capture page on autopilot. Okay, so this literally gets into everything like that. And like I said, the next thing is getting students results, right? Does this program give students the ability to get massive results? Well, I want to share with you right now. Okay, so I'm inside of the community right here, and these are the wins. These are the results of students, and this is actually just within the last week. Okay, so you can see right here, new leads. Okay, so Willem, just using the strategies taught inside, received 287 new leads in 24 hours. Okay, so how would you like to learn exactly how to generate tons and tons of leads? Daryl, okay, $2,100 in the last 3 days. Okay, he is a member of this community, of this program, of this course, and he was able to do that. Okay, $4,900 earned in October, $24,800 in my first 12 weeks. So she was a complete beginner not too long ago, and she was able to earn some amazing results right here. Just a few more, 40,000 in 10 weeks on Facebook, $118 in affiliate commissions, 2,400 in 2 days. Okay, and I can just scroll and scroll and scroll, right? So is it getting students results? Yes. By the way, if you're ready to go further and turn this into a reality, check out the first link in the description to get started with the Legacy Builder. Has a community, okay? And as you can see, yes, but look at this right here, okay? It has, at the time of recording, 44,600 members, okay? That is a ton, and 292 people online. So the amazing thing is you can literally go into this school group once you join this course, and you can write anything right here, and you can get your questions answered. As soon as you post, people will start responding, okay, to your actual question or to your post, so you always get the help you need and the support. And last but not least, live training calls, okay? So when you go into the community right here, okay, when you go into the calendar tab, these are all live training calls. And now these training calls are from 6 and 7 figure earners with digital marketing. So you can see Tuesday tech, legacy builder training, Wednesday tech. So if you want help with, technical stuff, Thursday mentoring, right? So every few days they're having live training on Zoom that you can just join with a webcam on your laptop, or, if you have your phone, you can join through there. And often they will open it up to questions at the end where you can ask 6 and 7 figure earners exactly how to master digital marketing. So that's really it. This is why the Legacy Builder program is my top recommended digital marketing course. It's not just a course, it's actually a program. There will be a link again directly below if you want to check this out and get access to it. It's a one-time payment at whatever level you choose. Like this video if you got value, subscribe. I'm going to be going even deeper with digital marketing, and I hope to see you on my next video, my friend. Thanks for watching and have a great day.